Welcome back, episode 2, Barbecue and Bolts. Scott, what the heck are you doing over there?
I'm getting ready to moto in this thing once we're done with it. I can't wait.
Oh yeah, but we gotta get this top off, man.
I need some more vitamin D.
Well, I do too. I need sun. I'm from California.
Well, it never rains in Washington. You're lucky.
Yeah.
So
I know it's nice and sunny
let's
today.
take this top off and take this stupid windshield out. It's all broken anyways.
Yep, let's get her done.
All right, here we go, guys.
Yep.
Get it? These are actually harder to do than you think. Hey, now that's some sunshine.
Yeah, feels good.
So we got the top off, we got the windshield out. You guys got to be really careful about windshields, by the way. That glass is held together by some plastic or whatever, but man.
Yeah, safety glass is not something to play with. It'll cut you hard.
I was on glass duty because Mike cut his hand in the first second that he tried to do the windshield.
Ooh, bleeding good today.
So you got the Sawzall and got all this off. I got the windshield off. So next time we're gonna rip this engine and transmission out, and then we're gonna replace it with
440, baby. 440 and a 727.
Oh, our own snow car.
That's right.
I like it.
We're gonna beef this baby up.
So hey, thanks for joining us on season 2, episode 2 of Barbecue and Bolts with Mike Caporusso Jr. Yeah, and Scott Baxter. See you later, guys.
Woo!